My first pair of Converse All-Stars, gone. My first Afro comb, gone. My first dashiki, gone. My autographed pictures of Stokely Carmichael, Jomo Kenyatta, and Donna Summer, gone.
Hell, man! Shit! That's not fair, man!
My first Jar Murray's pomade. My first can of Afro Sheen.
Come on,
My
dog!
first box of Curl Relaxer. Gone, gone, gone.
Shit! He thought
Eldridge Cleaver, Soul on Ice.
you got some on ice?
It's been replaced on my bookshelf by The Color Purple.
Nah, I hate the color purple.
Gone. Jimi Hendrix Purple Haze. Gone. Sly Stone, There's a Riot Going On. Gone. The Jackson 5's, I Want You Back.
You can't throw that away. Something put Michael Jackson had a black nose, man.
It's all going. Anything and everything that connects me to you, to who I was, to what we were, it's out of my life.
You got to give me another chance.
Fingertips, Part 2.
How did you do this with the Stevie Wonder?
You want to know how, kids? You want to know how? Because my survival depends on it. Whether you know it or not, the ice age is upon us.
What the hell are you talking about? It's 95 damn degrees outside.
The climate is changing, kid. And either you adjust or you end up extinct. A sociological dinosaur. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? King Kong would have made it to the top if only he had taken the elevator. Instead, he brought attention to his struggle and ended up dead.
I'll change, I swear. I'll change. I maintain a low profile. You won't even know I'm around.
If I'm to become what I'm to become, then you've got to go. I have no history. I have no past.
Just like that?
Free Angela.
Oh.
Free Bobby.
Come on.
Free Huey, Huey, and Louie. U.S. out of Vietnam. U.S. out of Cambodia. U.S. out of Harlem, Detroit, and Newark. Gone.
Come on, man.
The Temptations crazy.
No. No.
Give it back, kid.
No.
I said give it back.
No, I can't let you throw this away, Johnny, man. It contains 14 classic cuts of the Tempted Temptations. We talking into a pounded bag. Papa was a Rolling Stone. My girl.
Don't have all day.
No, for God's sake, Johnny, man, my girl. It was a jam, man, no jams. Come on, for old time's sake, man, that's what we are. Who we are. A way of life. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. And when it's cold outside, come on, Johnny, man, sing. Da, 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 da. Come on, man. I got the one for me. I guess your favorite part. You say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl. Talking about.
I said give it back.
I ain't giving you a motherfucking thing.
Now you listen to me.
No! You listen to me. This is the kid you're dealing with. So don't fuck with me. Kid! 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 Hey. Please! And who's begging who now, huh? Look at you. It's the color man. Cream of the crop. And now that you've made it, you don't want nothing to do with the kid. You can put all kind of silk ties around your neck and white lines up your nose. The kid is here to stay. You may change your women as often as you change your underwear. The kid is here to stay. And regardless of how much your past you trash, I ain't going no fucking where. We clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Come on, man. You all right? I don't want to hurt you, but every time you start talking about getting rid of me, man, it makes me kind of crazy. We need each other. We're one and the same.
The ice age is upon us. And either we adjust or we end up extinct. Man kills his own rage. I'm feeling 11. I have no history. I have no past. I can't. It's too much. It's much too much. I I have to be able to smile on cue and watch the news with an impersonal eye. I have no stake in the race. Being black is too emotionally taxing. Therefore, I will be black only on weekends and holidays. I guess you say what can make me feel this way.